Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you people that what did I do. Post delivery, like how did I lose weight? This is something like many of mothers and moms, they actually ask me like, how did you lose the weight? You don't even look like someone who has a baby. Not just mothers and moms, even my doctor, when I visited my gyno post my delivery, even she told me that you have reduced the weight so quickly, and you don't even look like a mother, you don't even look like a mom, you look like some college student. So even she was like really surprised, and she was really happy to see that I was able to take care of my health. I was able to control my weight. And how did I do that? So I will tell you guys all of that, that how did I do that, and how it's not like very complicated, it's actually damn easy. It all starts when you are pregnant. So when I was pregnant, from that day onwards, if you guys have not seen my blog, you go ahead and check that. In that I've shared a lot of things also, and today also I will share a few things. So yes, what I was doing is I was eating sugary items, but it was very minimal. So whenever I used to, in pregnancy, it's very common for us to feel craving for sweet items, but we have to be really smart in it. If you're gonna eat sweet item, ensure that it's not like you're eating too much. You can eat, but eat very less, very minimal. As I told, that even if there is a pastry that I order, which is actually, which had become my favorite when I was pregnant, so that pastry also, I never used to eat the whole pastry. I used to eat 2 to 3 spoons. That's it, and the rest I used to give it either to my mom or my husband. And we used to share and eat. We prefer that. We don't want to overeat and then suffer with any kind of a problem or disease. So that's the reason why we ensure that we eat sugar item, but very minimal. And definitely dairy. Bakery items like maida and all. I was trying to avoid it as much as possible. So when I was pregnant, from that time itself, I was controlling myself towards it, because I know for a fact it's not only going to increase my weight, but it's actually gonna put me into some kind of a disease and some kind of a sickness, which I'll have to carry it for the whole of my life, and I have to keep consuming medicines which I never wanted to. So that was the very reason why I was very adamant towards it, that I'm not going to eat sweet and all a lot. I'm going to control it as much as possible, and that's what I did, and that is what actually helped me. Since I did that, I lost the weight very quickly. I used to be usually, based on my height and weight, my weight supposed to be somewhere between 48 to 50, not more than that, and I was into that before delivery. And once I hit, until 9 months, I saw that I had already weight gain. What happened with me was somewhere around 10 kgs. How to, and how did I reduce that? Was I was not doing something like starving or something. I never did that. I never starved, because if you're gonna starve, it's gonna affect you as well as your baby. So please don't starve. You have to eat, but you need to understand what you're going to eat, and how you're supposed to, what portion. You should definitely not starve, and that's something I'm gonna say. Honestly, I never starved. What I did instead was like, I was not eating a lot of meats and all. I was not eating that. I was more on eating like dal, chapati, brown rice, then milk with turmeric in the night. Every night I used to drink, because turmeric is something which will actually help you with the healing process as well. So it's very important, and milk is definitely very good. It's important for you as well as for the baby, since you're gonna be breastfeeding. Milk is important, paneer is important, curd is important. So all this, egg obviously, that is also very important. So please don't skip on this and eat this. It will help you with the weight loss also. It will not increase your weight also, and it will also help you. It will give you strength which you need for the best breastfeeding. So this is very important. And post that, what I did was like, I used to do exercise, but very less, not much of exercise. Since you post delivery, at least for one, for the starting of the first month, I did nothing. I did no workout, I did nothing. Actually, I was just giving my body time to calm myself, to adjust itself, and because it's very important. The body has to adjust with your this thing without baby. It takes time, so you have to give your body some time. So yes, once I did that, and then for the first month I did nothing. I was eating good, I was taking care of myself, and as I told, no meats and all I was eating. I was only looking towards eating healthier and more of the veggies and all. so that it will be good for me for the breastfeeding as well, and also it will help me with the weight loss as well. And every day I used to drink this jeera water. I mean, you can soak it overnight, and then you can in the morning you can drink that. Ajwain also, you can drink that water as well, even that is very good. And also apart from that, what I was doing is yes, soft. I mean, after every meal, I was actually eating soft, so that was really good, and it really helped with the digestion and all, and it's really amazing. And post that, of course, hydration. This is something actually many of the people they skip on this. They think it's not important, but you have to stay hydrated. You have to drink a lot of water, because when you're breastfeeding, you need a lot of water. Most of the milk that is formed is actually of water, so you need to drink a lot of water, and it's really important. If you are going to skip on water, you will definitely feel dehydrated, and you will start feeling sick. And also the something that is very important is like you have to take a good rest. You have to sleep well. If you are skipping your sleep and all, definitely that will also impact on your body, and you will start gaining more weight, so it's very important. So post that, I would say nothing much. And yes, I was doing walking as well. Walking is really good, and it's very good, and it's simple. I mean, you're not like stretching your body and all, so that is okay. I mean, you should not harm your body, but walking is something you can definitely do. That's very good. Every night I used to go for a walk. And and paneer and all, as I told you guys, that is very good, and it's a good protein, as you guys know. And also avocado is also very good protein. It's a good fat, so even that is also very good. And apart from that, if you see, nothing much that I did. I was the first month, as I told, I did nothing, but from the second month onwards, I definitely did this. I every day, as drinking in the morning, I drank this ajwain water or the jeera water. Then my breakfast also, what breakfast I used to eat mostly eggs and chapati, or egg and the brown bread. So like a sandwich I used to make and I used to eat. And then post that, I used to eat fruit, like whatever the seasonal fruit were there, I used to eat that. And then post that, I used to eat lunch. In the lunch, I used to prefer eating brown rice with dal and vegetable. And this drumstick leaves also, they are very good for the breastfeeding. So I used to eat that chutney and um, all the rest of it. But I was avoiding anything spicy and oily and all, and obviously outside food. So all this I did. And then for the evening time, what I used to do is, and yes, post lunch, I used to drink buttermilk. Buttermilk is very good. It will help for digestion, as well as it's very good for breastfeeding as well. So I used to drink that. And then post that, in the evening times, what I used to do, I used to drink tea. Definitely, I used to not drink tea in the morning, or coffee, though I don't drink at all. I only love tea. So tea in the morning I used to skip. I used to drink it only in the evening. So tea, and then I used to eat biscuits, which is like this. I mean, no maida, no sugar, free biscuits. That is what you have it. I mean, you will get it very easily nowadays. Just search it, you will find it. And I used to eat that. And post that, then definitely I used to eat my dinner time. I used to eat chapati, roti, and sabzi, and then dal, a bowl of dal, and then little bit of rice I used to eat. And I used to ensure that I'm full. I used to ensure that I'm gonna eat like more amount, because you have to eat for both. You have to eat for yourself, and also you have to eat for your baby. So please don't starve. If you're gonna starve, your milk production will actually reduce, and it will affect your child. So you have to ensure that you're gonna look after yourself, as well as you're going to take care of your baby as well. So you have to balance. So this is what is a perfect diet. Do this. Don't do any extra diet and all, because if you do that, it will affect your child. Your child is a priority, because even after once a child grows also, you can still lose your weight. So please prioritize your child. But this I started doing because I know that this will not harm my baby, and also this will give me a good protein, and this will also help my baby to gain enough of the protein and enough of the milk. So that's the very reason why I did this, and this was very helpful, and this really helped me. And before going to bed, I always drank milk. And yes, I skipped this. In the morning also, I used to drink one whole glass of milk with jaggery. In the night, I used to drink milk with turmeric, because that is really good for you and the baby, and also for the healing process. So this is what was the simple diet that I followed, and doing this, I actually lost the weight. And it's not about like how much you stop. It's actually about how consistent you are in what you're doing. So as I told, Jira water and all, so how I was consistent in that, I never skipped it. So since I did that, I lost the weight very easily and without any difficulties. And I remember that within I would say within 6 months, I was back to what I was before. Completely everything went became normal for me. So that is what I mean. It was very easy. I did it. I took care of me since I was pregnant, and that is what helped me to not fall under any sickness and to lose weight quickly. So that's all, guys. So yes, I'm sure this video will be very beneficial and helpful for you guys. So take care. I have to go back to my work. So yes, bye bye for today.